Hey everyone, Greg here with Collectiv. Wanted to talk to you today about a question we often get, or a question that is often addressed inside of organizations when building reports. And that question is, does my report need to become a Power BI report? So for example, if I have an Excel report, do I need to convert that Excel report over into Power BI? If I'm currently looking at a report in my ERP solution, should I turn that report into Power BI? Well, really, at the end of the day, that's an open-ended question. And you really need to ask yourself, why would I make this a Power BI report rather than should this be turned into a Power BI report? So a couple of things you want to ask yourself. Can this report be automated? What are a bunch of are these, when I create this existing report, am I constantly doing the same task over and over again? For example, am I constantly exporting this report to an Excel file and then transforming my data? If that's something you're doing, that's usually a good indication that you should turn that into a Power BI report. Because with Power BI, what you can do is you can set up your transformations, set up your data refreshes, so you're no longer doing that over and over and over again. Now, another question you have to ask yourself is if you look at a report inside of your ERP system, maybe that's a report you go to every day, every other day. Does that satisfy your reporting needs? Is it maybe a simple matrix that you're looking at inside of your ERP solution? Is it a table? But you have to ask yourself, does that satisfy my reporting needs? If it's giving you everything you need, then there may not be a requirement, there may not be a need to develop that in Power BI. Now, for example, maybe it's a sales report inside of your sales system that you would actually like to compare against financial data. However, your financial data is held in, maybe SAP, Xero, QuickBooks, whatever other system out there you're using. In order to do that, you'll need to take that data, extract it into some other type of reporting tool like Power BI so that you can compare sales to financials. So again, it's really kind of just depending upon what the situation you're in order to determine, should I actually build that Power BI report or should I keep the existing report that I have? So hopefully this gives you guys some ideas of why you should use a Power BI report over utilizing an existing report. If you have any questions, please add them in the comments below. Would also love to hear some stories of why you all determined if you should use a Power BI report or kept with your existing report in the comments. And again, any general questions you have, let us know. Always happy to help. And stay tuned for more videos like this one from the Collectiv crew.